Welcome to All Tech Solution. Today we're going to show how to make professional resume by using AI technology. Let's go. Let's open our browser and type resumemaker.ai. It'll take to this interface. We can sign up if we don't have any account. We can sign in if we have an account. We've already registered. There are templates given inbuilt. By default, we can use any kind of template and we can sign up from here. We have to write first name, last name, and we have to give mail address and continue. Let's go back, and there are templates already given here in bold. Since this is a sign up process, but we're going back to sign in because we have already registered with our Gmail. Here you can also sign up, and we're gonna sign in with our Gmail address. Let's click. It'll take to this interface. We can add cover letter, so you can customize here new cover letter as you have seen in the resume. There are templates here. Either you can use templates, you can add here, you can customize, but we are gonna see the resumes. Create new resume. Click on this button. It'll take to this form. You can give the job title, you can add your name, you can customize everything, you can add the summary, you can add the experience, you can let's scroll down. You can add the education, test score, your creativity, everything. So here are templates. You can choose anything. It's already been given by default. You can use anything. You can download from here. You can anything, actually anything you can customize in any way. Upload your photo from your folder, right from your computer. You can upload any kind of photo. Just follow the suggestion. You can download in your computer the resume. It'll give you the professional experience. Let's go back. So this is how you can really use the artificial intelligence to make your professional resume. Thank you.